Yo guys, who threw the phone? These people, who throws a phone? I don't want a phone, I like a banana. What? Sure, a banana. Bruh, is this phone magic? Okay. Let me try that again. I wish I had a cabbage. Whoa! Okay, this is weird now. Okay, this is weird. Wow, okay, I don't know how to do this. Can I have the banana again? Sure, my goodness. Thank you, Lord. Thank you very much. How much I love you. I'd like some new shoes. What's up, Courage?
I know you have those nice clothes, right? So you need the formal shirt and the formal trousers. I got a job with him, man. Please just give me those formal trousers, please, man. I appreciate it.
Oh, you want to dress swag? I got you. I wish Courage was dressed informal.
Super. How did it happen, man? Oh, thank you, God. You know what? I'm gonna split this with you, God. Look at me, Simba. Look at me. I love you, Simba. Come on. Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
I got you, bro. Hello, everyone. Thank you very much for watching the video. What if I told you that there is a way people can receive stuff magically? This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's not voodoo, but something which the Bible speaks about. It is written, "Give and you shall receive." What if I told you that whenever you sow a seed, whenever you bless someone with physical objects, even with attention, with love, with a hug, that you're sowing a seed, and that everything you give will be returned to you, good or bad? I'd like to encourage you today to start seeding some of the things that you'd like to receive. If it's money you want, I'd like to encourage you today to give, and not just to give for the purpose of giving, but to give out of love, in such a way that even if you don't get it, you'll be happy. Yeah, so that's it. Hi guys, what's up? Thank you very much for watching the video.